Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to use FL Studio on Discord. First, install FL Studio on your computer if not already been done. Then open FL Studio and go to Audio Settings by pressing F10. Next, install Virtual Audio Cable to route FL Studio's audio. Set FL Studio's audio output to the virtual audio cable in the audio settings. Now open Discord settings, go to Voice and Video, and set the input device to the virtual audio cable. Test audio by playing music in FL Studio and checking Discord's input. Then, adjust the buffer size in FL Studio if you experience latency. Use headphones to avoid feedback during Discord calls. Optionally, share your screen via Discord's screen sharing feature to show your FL Studio session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.